Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. Okay guys, today we are going to look at the NORTIV 8 snow boot. Now honestly guys, I know it's called a snow boot, but I'm telling you it's used for so much more than that. I took these things out and wore them going through hiking trails, in water. I tried everything. I tried to get my feet wet and could not. These actually keep your feet dry in up to 3 inches of water. So you can literally go over the top of this almost around this area here and your feet still stay dry. This will keep your feet warm and windproof. A lot of people don't think about the windproof part, but because if you're out like say skiing or you're out in the fields and you're marching along, that wind will hit your boots, go through them, and your feet will be freezing. But this will literally keep your feet warm all the way to negative 25 degrees. And they do that because they're using a Thinsulate in here that actually insulates your feet, and it's made by 3M. It's extremely good. It's almost twice as warm as most other materials like feather down and things like that that you may find in other boots. The very first thing that is going to probably catch your attention is going to be the zipper, because this zipper makes it extremely easy to get your foot into the boot and to take your foot out of the boot. But you've got to be really careful when it comes to zippers. A lot of times those zippers are not so great. They bind up and then they break, and then your boot is basically going to be worthless unless you can find somebody to put a new zipper on there. This zipper is made very heavy duty, so it's going to last for probably years and years without any problem or without any type of hang up. Also, when you have something like this, you want to look at the tongue and make sure that it has that fabric going way up in here so that it will help keep water, if water does make it through the zipper, from going down into your boot. So it needs to be made correctly. These are extremely soft and durable, so it's going to make it very easy on your foot if you're doing hiking or camping, or if you are doing skiing type activities. So that's going to help you quite a bit. You're also going to notice it has a flex band on this side and on this side. And that flex band makes it really nice if you're out hiking, going up over rocks and trails. Kind of keeps all that pressure off your ankles. Now, the other things you're going to notice is it is a lot of rubber construction, which is really great if you're out in snow and water. It's not going to damage. It cleans off extremely easy. And it has a really heavy duty, nice rubber sole that's flexible, but yet has a lot of good gripping power and things, so you're not going to slip and fall down. Now, you're also going to want to pay close attention to your stitching. This has double stitching all over it, which is a good sign of a good quality boot. I see a lot of them out there that have a lot of single stitching, and once that stitching comes loose, the whole sole is coming loose on your boot. So very well made. Overall, guys, if I was going to rate this on a scale of 1 to 5, I'd have to give it 5 stars because I think it's a very well made boot. It's very comfortable. It keeps my feet warm, keeps them dry, and it's good for a lot of different functions. So do yourself a favor, pick yourself up a set today. I don't think you'll regret it, and we'll see you guys on the next review.